I'm Shelley Graff, Planning and Grants Manager in the Research, Planning, and Process Improvement Unit. In the Missouri Department of Corrections, we have a big job. Our mission as a department is to improve people's lives and help make our communities safer. Almost everyone who goes to prison in Missouri eventually returns to our communities. For these Missourians, including individuals on supervision in the community, we want to make sure they have the tools they need to be good neighbors. Our strategic plan serves as a roadmap to help us get where we want to go. We have three major goals: creating a safer work environment, developing our workforce, and reducing risk and recidivism. Focusing on these areas helps map out a plan for a stronger Department of Corrections. We made some big improvements in the last year. We made our workplaces safer with facility and operations improvements, offender mail and censorship changes, and COVID response and viral containment strategies. We've improved our workforce with staff training and development changes and the creation of an employee wellness program. We have also worked to reduce risk and recidivism through a review of programming and a new philosophy for addressing behavioral health needs. This year is shaping up to be even better. We're building on our successes and addressing new priorities. Here are some of the things we're doing to make our workplaces safer. We're installing an automated timekeeping system, and we're analyzing staffing patterns and shifts. These changes help make sure our facilities and offices are properly staffed. To improve automation, we're completing Phase 1 of developing our electronic management system, the Missouri Corrections Integrated System, also known as MoCIS. We're also establishing priorities for enhancing MoCIS after launch. To make our facilities safer, we're reviewing and updating the internal and external classification systems. We're also improving the perimeters at our institutions by replacing outdated sensors and better monitoring potential threats. Making our workplaces safer is essential. So is supporting a positive culture. We want to keep great people on our teams and give everyone a chance to grow. Here are some things we're doing. We are totally transforming staff training and development with a learning management system, curriculum changes, and a plan to establish a hands-on training academy at Crossroads Correctional Center. We're expanding our efforts to recruit new staff in hard-to-fill positions, such as correctional officer and food service worker jobs. We're also working to improve their experience by enhancing onboarding for supervisors. We want every member of the corrections team to feel welcome, included, and taken care of. That's why we're working on a more user-friendly staff website, better support for staff who have experienced trauma, enrichment of our employee wellness programs, and a new strategy for promoting equity, diversity, and inclusion in the department. Our main job in corrections is making Missouri safer. The work we do every day helps reduce the chances that the people we help will commit more crimes or return to prison. Here are some things we're doing to keep the public safe. In preparing offenders for success, we're looking at each person's specific risks and needs. Along with enhancing quality control and evidence-based practices in our programming, we're taking a holistic approach to behavioral health treatment by addressing mental health and substance use treatment needs together. We're also expanding our Ashland program to meet educational and job readiness needs. One of the most effective ways to reduce recidivism is to make smoother transitions from incarceration to the community. That's why we're converting the former Kansas City Reentry Center minimum security prison into the Transition Center of Kansas City, a residential post-release center for men returning to the Kansas City area. We're also designing a program model for court-referred short-term offenders to increase program efficacy and participant success. This is the time for us to work together. Working together as one team allows us to achieve our department goals and strive for excellence.